What if the next air-to-air missile isn't fired by a fighter pilot, but by an autonomous drone flying hundreds of miles ahead of the battle? That future is no longer science fiction. The U.S. Air Force has just achieved a major milestone by successfully launching an AIM-120 AMRAAM missile from Anduril's YFQ-44A Fury collaborative combat aircraft for the very first time. Even more impressive, the missile was fired at a simulated target during a fully integrated combat test over the Mojave Desert, marking the first live missile launch by any American collaborative combat aircraft, or CCA. This test could change the future of aerial warfare. The YFQ-44A Fury is not designed to replace manned fighter jets like the F-35 or the upcoming F-47. Instead, it is built to fight alongside them as a loyal, autonomous wingman. These drones are designed to fly into the most dangerous airspace, scout ahead, detect enemy aircraft, and even launch missiles, reducing the risk to human pilots while dramatically increasing combat power. During this historic test, the Fury took off from Edwards Air Force Base in California and received targeting information through Anduril's advanced Lattice software system. An operator assigned the target, and the drone autonomously completed the engagement sequence before launching an AIM-120 AMRAAM beyond visual range at a digital target. This wasn't simply a missile release. It demonstrated that an unmanned aircraft can receive targeting information, process commands, coordinate with human operators, and execute an air-to-air engagement almost as exactly as it would during real combat. That makes this one of the biggest breakthroughs in the Air Force's collaborative combat aircraft programs so far. Only a few months ago, the YFQ-44A was still carrying inert training missiles while engineers evaluated flight performance and weapon integration. Those earlier flights focused on verifying aircraft handling, testing communication links, and ensuring every operator command reached the drone accurately. Now, the program has successfully progressed to live fire testing. According to the U.S. Air Force, this rapid development proves that the aircraft is maturing faster than many expected. The Fury is one of two drones selected for the Air Force's first generation of collaborative combat aircraft. The other competitor is General Atomics' YFQ-42A Dark Merlin. Interestingly, both aircraft have already been selected for production, meaning the Air Force plans to operate a mixed fleet rather than choosing only one design. While the Dark Merlin is expected to conduct its own live-fire missile test later this year, the Fury has officially become the first American CCA to fire a live air-to-air missile. The weapon used in this test was the AIM-120 AMRAAM, one of the world's most trusted beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. For decades, this missile has armed American fighters, including the F-15, F-16, F-A-18, F-22 Raptor, and F-35 Lightning II. Now, for the first time, it has been successfully launched from an autonomous combat drone. This signals a dramatic shift in how future air battles may unfold. Instead of sending expensive manned fighters deep into contested airspace, commanders could deploy multiple autonomous wingmen ahead of the formation. These drones could search for enemy aircraft, share targeting data, absorb enemy attention, and launch missiles, while the human pilot remains at a much safer distance. The result is greater combat power, greater survivability, and significantly lower operational risk. Military planners often describe this concept as creating combat mass. Rather than relying on a limited number of extremely expensive fighters, future air forces could deploy large numbers of intelligent drones working together with crewed aircraft. Each drone adds more sensors, more weapons, and more tactical flexibility to the battlefield. If one drone is lost, the mission can continue without risking a pilot's life. This philosophy is becoming increasingly important as the United States prepares for potential high-intensity conflicts in the Indo-Pacific region. Future wars against technologically advanced opponents could involve dense air defenses, long-range missiles, electronic warfare, and swarms of enemy drones. In those environments, autonomous collaborative aircraft may become just as valuable as traditional fighter jets. The Air Force believes these aircraft will eventually perform many different missions beyond air-to-air combat. Today's successful missile launch is only the beginning. The Air Force's leadership has praised the achievement as another major step toward operational capability. Officials say every successful test helps validate years of digital engineering, software integration, and autonomous decision-making models. Instead of relying solely on computer simulations, engineers can now compare real flight data with their digital predictions, allowing the aircraft to improve even faster. Although the United States is leading its own collaborative combat aircraft program, it is not the first country to fire air-to-air missiles from an autonomous combat drone. In late 2025, Turkey's Bayraktar Kizilmah successfully launched domestically developed Gökdogan air-to-air missiles, with one missile destroying an actual target drone during testing. That achievement demonstrated the growing global competition in autonomous aerial warfare. Now, America's Fury has answered with its own major milestone. With both the YFQ-44A Fury and the YFQ-42A Dark Merlin moving rapidly through testing, the race to field autonomous wingmen is accelerating faster than ever. The U.S. Air Force hopes to begin deploying its first collaborative combat aircraft before the end of this decade. If current testing continues at this pace, future fighter pilots may soon enter combat surrounded by multiple intelligent drones that fly beside them, share information instantly, attack enemy aircraft, and dramatically reshape the balance of air power. The era of autonomous aerial combat has officially fired its first shot.